Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm so glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or a day of your choice. Today, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today, we are going to be looking at the new palette from Jeffree Star, and it is the most fantastic packaging. I just adore it, and we're going to take a look at it. It's a little beautiful. I really love the colors, even the hot Cheeto colors. I really think it's beautiful. And here I like to do some magic swatches. So with no further ado, bam! Here are the swatches. And there's 18 of them. And it starts down here with the very pale, and it goes all the way to the very dark. But it is a beautiful range of oranges and complementary colors. And I look forward to doing a look with them in just a momento. Un momento, por favor. I speak very little Spanish, but that was some of it. That was some of the Spanish, Espanol. I really appreciate how beautiful this packaging is. Ooh, look, nice side shot. So let's get in here and start. Maybe I'll do 2 looks. I don't know. I can't wait to make a look with this beautiful palette. I'm going to start off with Cutting Edge. That is a beautiful way to start. And I'm going to go into Mighty Morphin Power Ranger. No, just kidding. Twisted Taste. Now I'm going to go into, let's see, it's so pretty, Fashion Whore. That looks very pretty. Plus, it's just fun to say Fashion Whore. Whore. For watching The Sopranos, it would be Whore. Well, we're not watching The Sopranos now, are we? I'm going to take another fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into, actually no, I'm going to take this same fluffy brush and go back into Cutting Edge and blend that out a little more. Because it's kind of disappearing. Ooh-wee! What a fun look this is. It's so fun. And orange, because the palette's orange. I'm going to go into Double Crossed, which has a scorpion on it, and use that to darken up the outside crease here. Oh, that looks good. Give it some depth. And that's just lovely. And I think I'm done with the eyeshadow portion. I'm going to actually, yeah, I'm done with the eyeshadow portion. I'm going to do some mascara and eyeliner, and I'll be right back. And voila, my mascara and liner's on, and it really pulls the look together. And now for my lips, it's I've ordered one of the lip colors to go with this from the collection, but it is not here yet. But I think I'm going to do a dark lip. Maybelline Super Matte Stay ink, matte ink, and the color is, I always have to look at it, Voyager. And this fall that looks really great with this look. Clean it up just a little bit. I think it looks fantastic with this. I hope you've enjoyed this look with the pricked palette. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.